thank you, thank you. Right, Tom. New suit, what are you doing?
Well, I thought I'd sing a song this week.
Yeah?
Yeah. Solo.
Hey?
Note. Solo.
Great. I'll help you then.
What? No, thank you. I'll manage. You know what I mean? I'll manage.
I know you can manage, Tom, because you've got an absolutely brilliant voice.
Thank you.
Your voice is... You can forget everybody else then, yeah, man. His voice is brilliant. What song are you singing, Tom?
September in the Rain.
No, I don't want to know where or when. I want to know what are you singing. You've got me skin.
I'm singing September in the Rain, okay? Now get up.
Okay, Tom. I just want to tell you, if you need me, I'm there, boy.
Thank you.
Okay, come have it, Tommy.
Thank you. Listen, gentlemen, I'd like to sing to you tonight a very beautiful song, accompanied by my wonderful quartet at the back. Anytime you're ready, boys, thank you. The leaves are brown, came tumbling down.
Tommy, what did you say? What did you say?
Pardon?
What did you say then?
I said the leaves of brown came tumbling down.
Oh, right, fair enough.
That's September
September.
in the rain.
What did you say? I'm giving a bit of feeling. What did you say?
September in the rain. The sun went down just like a burning ember.
The sun, Tommy, but don't touch it because it's very, very hot.
That's September in the rain.
Rain.
Every word of love I hear you whisper. The raindrops seem to sing that sweet refrain.
Hold it! What are you trying to do? Give me a picking heart attack? Am I some big fucking mentally, eh? Tommy, give me a break. Take your time.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. What? Oh, spring is here. To me, it's still September.
Tommy, spring.
That's September. I'm talking about September.
Tommy, in the rain.
I mean September.
No, Tommy, in the rain.
It could be November. It could be December.
In the rain.
I'm talking about September.
Tommy, in the biggest.
I said I'm talking about September. Yeah. I said it could be November.
Hold it, Tommy. You're not doing your words right.
First, I'm singing the song. What's the matter with you?
You're only on the props. You're doing it wrong. The words. I'll show you how the words go.
Okay.
What you do, you go. It goes like this. I remember September in the rain. Good night.